the original. With IQ Perfetto, we reinvented the way hairdryers are made. Now, we've done it again. We broke the mold and gave air a new shape. It's time to redefine the shape of the wind. IQ Sfera, the power of evolution. Ergonomic like never before. Ultralight, powered by a turbo motor. Protected by a dual filter system. We redefined the shape of the wind. And now, it rests in the palm of your hand. It's not just a tool. It's a turning point. A break in design between past and future. The future has arrived, and you can hold it in your hands. Welcome to the revolution. Welcome to the future. Welcome to IQ Sfera.